call out. To shout or speak loudly. To announce. She called out to her friend across the street. The teacher called out our names. Clear out. To remove everything from a space. She is clearing out the fridge to make room. Please clear out your desk before you leave. Burn out. To become extremely tired or exhausted. I am burned out and need a break. Are you burned out from work? Walk out. To leave a place or situation, often suddenly. He walked out of the classroom. He got angry and walked out of the meeting. Spread out. To extend over an area. She spread out the blanket on the beach. He spread out his toys all over the room. Splash out. To spend a lot of money on something. She splashed out on a designer handbag. He splashed out hundreds of dollars on a new car. Freak out. To become very anxious, upset, or afraid. He freaked out when he saw a spider. He freaked out when his computer crashed. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. She passed out from the heat. I am feeling dizzy. I might pass out. Wear out. To use until no longer usable. My shoes always wear out too quickly. My old jacket wore out after years of use. Wear out. To become exhausted and tired. Can we sit down? I am worn out. I have been working all night and I am worn out. Fill out. To complete a form. Please fill out this application form. He will fill out the application.